Tired of paying full price for your Pocket FM addiction? Let's unlock some sweet savings in under 90 seconds. First things first, launch the Pocket FM app on your phone and tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find an option labeled Redeem Coupon or Promo Code. It might be tucked away, so keep an eye out. Tap on this option to open the coupon redemption window. Time to hunt for codes. Open your web browser and head over to Google. Type in Pocket FM discount codes or Pocket FM promo codes. This will bring up a bunch of websites claiming to have the latest deals. Be cautious, not all websites are created equal. Stick to reputable coupon sites like Retailmanat, Couponcabin, or potentially even the official Pocket FM website or social media pages if they have any promotions listed. Once you've found a promising code, carefully copy and paste it or manually type it if you have to into the redeem coupon box in the Pocket FM app. Double check for typos. Even one wrong character can invalidate the code. Finally, tap the redeem button. If the code is valid and active, you'll see a confirmation message that the discount has been applied. Enjoy your cheaper listening experience. Now go binge those audio dramas guilt-free.